Welcome to Engineers Academy. Kindly subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel. Now I am going to solve this problem 220. In this problem it is said that determine the design angle phi, right? So we have to find this angle phi between struts AB and AC so that the 400 pound horizontal force has a component of 600 pound which acts up to the left in the same direction as from B towards A, right? So the component of this 400 pound force is acting from B towards A, right? And the magnitude of that is 600 pound, right? So let's say if I draw that component, so if that component is from B towards A, and let's say this is that component, so if we place it here, right, and if we draw the 400 pound force in this direction, let's say that this is that force, so then the component along AC will be acting in this direction, right? So let's say if we want to draw that component, so by head to tail rule they should give us this 400 pound force resultant, right? So this will be the component of this 400 pound force acting along this AC. So we are given the magnitude of this 600 pound force. We are given the magnitude of this 600 pound force. Let me draw this diagram a bit larger in size, right? So let's say that this is that 600 pound, and let's say that this is the component along AC, and let's say that this is the resultant which is 400, right? So this is 400 and this is 600 pound, and this is acting in this direction, right? And we do not know the magnitude of this, so let's say that this is FAC. And now if I draw a horizontal line here, so then this theta is given, right? So this theta is 30 degrees. So if we write that this is 30 degrees, so then this angle and this angle both are 30 degrees. Since if this is horizontal and then this is horizontal, so then if this is 30, so then this angle is 30, right? So now we know this 30. So now we can find this FAC, the component of this 400 pound force along the EAC strut, right? So we can find that FAC by using the cosine's law. So FAC whole square will be equal to 600 square plus 400 square minus 2 into 600 into 400 cos of the included angle between these two, right? So between the 600 pound and the 400 pound, so the included angle is 30. And if we take the square root, so then this will give us the component magnitude. So this comes out to be 322.96 pounds, right? Or we can say that it is approximately 323 pounds, right? So now we know the magnitude of this FAC component, which is 323 pounds. Right. So now we are asked to find the angle phi. So the angle phi is between this component and this component, right? So the angle phi is located here, right? So we have to find this phi angle. So now we can find this phi angle by using the sine's law. So if I write, then apply the sine's law, so then this will be sine of phi divided by the magnitude of the opposite side. So the opposite side is 400, and this will be equal to sine of 30. And the magnitude of the opposite side is this 323, right? So this will be 323. So phi will be equal to sine inverse 400 sine of 30 degrees divided by 323. So this will give us the design angle phi which is required. So the phi angle comes out to be 38.25 degrees, right? So this is that phi angle, and this is the component along AC. So this is the solution of this problem.